Ikorodu, Lagos, and Nigeria. Get ready for a week of spiritual rejuvenation and celebration.
Celestial Church of Christ Sharon Parish Ikorodu
presents its 17th prophet anniversary. The fourth man in the fire, featuring
powerful ministers of God,
Senior Evangelist S.O. Shofora,
Senior Evangelist Alimi Olamiji,
Evangelist Nathaniel Kazim,
Evangelist A.E. Onofeso,
Prophet Sunday Dowoni.
Join us 10th of September,
9 a.m. for spiritual consultation and prophet vigil.
Join us 11th of September,
9 a.m. for seeker service. 5 p.m. for revival.
Join us 12th of September,
9 a.m. for spiritual consultation and prophet vigil.
Join us 13th of September,
12 p.m. for prophetic lecture and 4 p.m. for empowerment.
Join us 14th of September,
9 a.m. for consultation, 1 p.m. for marriage seminar, and 4 p.m. for football match final.
Join us 15th of September
for Thanksgiving service. Venue:
End of Mobolaji Benson Street, Igbo oluwo Estate, Ikorodu, Lagos.
For more detail, call
0802 382 0861
or visit
cccSharonParish.org.